Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Are you subscribed yet? If not, you're seriously missing out on some color, on some reviews and on some interesting tutorials like this one. So today I finally got my long waited for Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I also got the lipstick from the Jawbreaker collection in the shade called No Offense. Let's open it up. What a beauty! I obviously have already touched it because I did this look, which I will be showing you the tutorial for, but let me show what I filmed yesterday when it was fresh and untouched. So now that you have seen the colors close up, by the way, I will also be posting some macros to my Instagram, which is linked down below in the description box. We can proceed to the swatches. I will do some arm swatches on a primer, and then I will show you the tutorial for this look that I just did using this palette only, and also using the new No Offense lipstick. Virgin, Good Morning, Bubblegum, Wow, Suck, Licorice, Cute, and the shade whose name I can't pronounce because it might make this video an adult-only one, Gumdrop, Snack, Brain Freeze, Jawbreaker, the signature shade, and What, Orange Juice, Sour, Soaked, Raspberry, Cotton Candy, Lemon Drop, Bite Me, Cherry Wet, Tasty, Cone, and Delicious. Oh, bummer, I swatched Delicious over Cone. What did I just do? Sorry for that, guys. So a shade that caused a lot of controversy was this soaked blue one, because people were arguing if it looked more cobalt blue like here, or like in other people's photos and in his photos too, or if it looked more pastel blue like in his video. It actually looks more like cobalt blue. So like you see it here right now and here. I'm trying to get the colors as accurate as I can because I know that this is what matters a lot when you're watching a review and trying to make up your mind on whether you want to buy something or not. So the colors you see here are pretty much accurate. About the quality, the mattes are really very well blendable, so are the shimmers. They are super pigmented. I can't comment on the lasting power yet. This is my first ever Jeffree Star palette, by the way, because I haven't worn it out yet, so I just applied this makeup for my first look, but I will definitely comment on it on my Instagram page. And as for application, it is super easy, it is super convenient. Most mattes are more on the light side, so this palette is going to be great for pastel rainbow looks. If you want to use mattes, if you want to use shimmers, they are brighter, which is actually exactly what I was looking for because I don't own a lot of pastel colors, especially mattes. Also, these pastel colors will actually look very different depending on your skin tone, so I have a tan skin tone and they look a bit palish on me. I think they will look brighter on a fair skin tone and will definitely stand out more on a deep skin tone. Let's now go to this tutorial. I will show you how I did this look with the palette and also with the lipstick. I have already primed my eyes with a transparent primer. Okay, let's now see how they will blend with the skin. Now it's time to apply some eyeliner and get rid of the fallout. Now let's proceed to the lower lid. First comes the primer. And this is it, guys. I hope you liked the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed the swatches. Please don't forget to subscribe and to check out my Instagram for a lot of looks with this palette, of course with this lipstick, and also for some lip art with this lipstick. Thank you for joining in. See you in my next video. Bye bye, loves.